ngi chen wala ana bana ngi ke tial ke ti past tense past tense me lode ni mishi do jokki mishi we actually past tense ke la actual ke to be bukorach ke ken English press bana kananka noir press ala dobrini ning tognat broad chu ka ba ko ti ke very important de ken lo long wad dana titen ban je to kamaniam mishi larno I was lo de no de chian I was chian we were Shinei we were Shinei you were Shijin emme jen lodene male fme lodene female me roi ne jin ke wut bi jogono you were Shijin me check di jogbono you were Shijin teleda katognat mradiene me she was Shijen she was Shijen guatame to konke you were Shiyen you nanga jakareo you me guasame lode niram kel Shijin you were me lode nungu Shiyen yen kanere ngwalu ni you meram kel ba jubano jin ala you he was Shijen mishawi he raje ke kwi nguka raje ke kwi dol ki raje ke kwi wuda shi gwada me raje ke kwinka raje ke kwi nyal ki kwi shik mo kwala chole female me would ba chole male he was Shijen read me they were chicken they were chicken to kon ke I was a teacher Shian kone ngich I was sana jigono dinin shian chakulo mo ke dobini ntame I was a teacher Shian kone ngich we were teachers Shinei kone ngich we were teachers maniam gozame I was a teacher lunodi aramkel sian kone ngich I was a teacher sian kone ngich lo right kon ke past tense tama mishiwe mradiena me we were teachers Shinei kone ngich we were chana jigenen lunodi Shinei we were lunodi Shinei we were teachers Shinei kone ngich you were a teacher meaning Shijin kone ngich teacher gwadame as singular ke raje ke kel teachers ante ke as ludene ngich ke tangwan dere kabanono gwada de diename you were a teacher angulo demo Shijin kone ngich you were a teacher Shijin kone ngich she was a teacher Shijin kone ngich en nga en nyamo en shekamo she raje ke shek ke kanyal mishawe she was a teacher bi ngajeno raje na ke kwichik ala female she was a teacher Shijin kone ngich you were a teachers mulunodi chiyen kone ngech plme chunga ke plural la tungwan murai ke tungwan you were teachers chiyen kone ngech he was a teacher he raje kangu ke kwi male alawut he was a teacher michalar no chijen kone ngich nga en wudomo and dolomo chijen kone ngich he was a teacher chunga ko chunga ke male ki ke wood they were teachers chicken kone ngech they were teachers chicken kone ngech here we have I was not malode this is a negative form ka past tense ken hen magage ken I was not ken hen we were not ken nay you were not kenjin you were not kenjin this is male and this is female male lode ni wood female lode nu lode ni chekote ka language ni tankien de la ngol korean agar do no ka tok english mi chaw you were not kenjin raje ke kwi wood you were not kenjin raje ke kwiche ka mena tok nat bono she was not she gwad me shunga ka kwiche kenjen she chalejen kenyal kechek kenjen she was not kenjen you were not kenjen he was not kenjen gwasme ko ban example ken kulo ngach no they were not ken they were not ken amijira mo go deri tung na deri ngach ken tuk english shana lame gwai keji ko dere jilwak katin kono deri ngach mijira mo go deri tuk na ken tuk english deri jangach gorjeno jin deri channel deri jaguri deri subscribe ko deri support ko ngindi ti ke very important katya ke longba chari aleka ka do mutete eno deran derode nie jenne karwade ke lengde ke video ke deran der video der ja pose der to ko mo der goro der ngat at chan right in wale ke very important lunka ngai tok nat ken ngai tok english kit ka tama mulo ja kon gwato da me de yendi altika ngaitin enana gwato da me jene gwasame ja kon jogonodi I was a teacher shen kona ngich I was a teacher I was karwade ludni shihan I was shihan mishawe we were shine akeni sentana makeni nilat na dey ro ngeke titine an gorojin bi channel bi support bi subscribe ko ba video ni ko ken ba galat bi yen ka chwa mala jek an ban nyo jek ni dodien